Hello, my name is Rajkant Sahu, and I'm a 2022 passed out mechanical engineering student. And I have a huge interest in automobile sector and e-mobility. For that reason, I'm searching a platform where I can gain a knowledge of electric vehicle. As all of us know, EV are the future. So I found a hand. I joined Industries Helping Hand 3 months ago, where I have a good experience over learning and skills. The practical knowledge and software related projects have really helped me to gain a real time skills in the electric vehicle. Yes, definitely. The concepts are clearly explained by the educator. The content is beautifully designed by the educator. In the live classes, they teach the concept one by one in a very interactive way, and the projects are also discussed in the live classes. The best thing is that educators are explain the concept from a basic level to advanced level, which really helped me to understand the technology. The live classes are really helpful because we can directly communicate with the educators and ask our doubt and discuss about the projects. All my doubts are instantly clear in the class itself. And other than classes, we have a mock interview session, classes for portfolio and resume building. So all these things really help me to improve my soft skills, and all the projects are industry oriented, related to battery, motor, controllers, charging technology, and powertrain. I have a huge interest in electric vehicle, e-mobility, and automobile sector. So when I was in college and second semester, I participated in a Robo Soccer and Accelerate event. These are the robotics event for which we make a bot from a small kind of prototype electric vehicle, that motors and battery, where I gain a little knowledge about batteries and motor, the actuators. So that's create me a impact on my to choose an electric vehicle as a career. Yes, definitely. The course will be helpful for other students also to gain practical knowledge and real-time knowledge. As per my experience, it helps the student to work on real-time projects and software, which actually helping the student to gain industry-oriented skills. So, as per my view, the course is really helpful for all those students who wanted to learn about electric vehicle